Hi, welcome back. Another important session. Today, we'll discuss the topic is general in the sense, but it's very, very important topic. Okay. Many people are asking, we are learning SAP SD ECC. So it is going to impact on our careers. Absolutely not. Okay. I am going to tell the topic today. The reality, if you don't know S4 HANA in 2024, anything will happen to you, your career. Okay, you or your career. Guidance to learn SAP S4 HANA 2020 or any further versions. For that matters, any version for that matter. I'm going to clear the things. Okay. If you are really stand somewhere in your experience, or else you are a fresher, or else you are upcoming consultant to the industry for S4 HANA. Okay. Let's try to dig into the deeper. What is the I will show you the difference of topics, what exactly changed for ECC versus S4 HANA. Okay. So if you are not a subscriber till now, please subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, you can like. And if you want something, I'll do some videos and you can comment. So currently I'm holding 5,127 students and 808 successful reviews. And if you glance at, this is the sales and distribution course on ECC. Why this course is so important? Why you have to keep this as a backup? I will explain you. This is currently holding 103 hours. Apart from that, you would like to learn idocs. Idocs will give you an edge in your work. Idocs concepts will you give importance in job trials. If you're a regular SAP SD consultant or a consultant, better join this course. And getting master to write functional specification. This is very, very important. Please get into this course. If you are beginner, then okay. If you are experienced, it is not required for you. Okay. If you are not yet introduced to implementation support enhancement projects, better give a try. And this is for pricing and pricing advanced. And I have a transportation basics and business partners. This is one of the key important topic you must have to learn before starting your course in S4 HANA. Business processes, S4 and ECC I have explained. And I have few important courses like stock transfers in ECC and S4 HANA. And if you'd like to learn rebates, okay. And when it comes to the important course recently I have done support actions, I have included 3 standard real-time incidents. Okay, how the tool work and everything I have explained in my YouTube channel. On top of it, you would like to know some incidents. Suddenly they will ask an entry questions. You can explain an incident for that matter. It will help a little. I am going to do part 2 in future, little advanced. This is real-time SDFI advanced down payment. 3 scenarios I explained. In future, I am going to add one more scenario, which I am implementing in my project. Okay, that is also in standard in nature. What is the basic advantage? Okay, this is what I have now. If you want, you can get into this one. Now, quickly get into the topic. Okay, let's keep this. And this is for S4 HANA. Okay, SD, S4 HANA, SAP SD ECC. So after seeing this video, you'll come to know what is the major change you have and what is the minimal changes you have. What are the important things you're supposed to learn? Okay, I'm going to explain, but it is very, very important this session. Okay, so this is S4 HANA 2021. Okay, you can see the bottom S4 HANA 2021. Okay, so let's go to the SPRO. There is no change of this T code. And if you come here, okay, so let's come here one by one. Okay, enterprise structure. Don't have any major changes in your enterprise structure and assignments. Only one new thing added. This is for service organization. Define enterprise service organization. hardly you will have 10% chances to get implement until unless if it is more specific about service oriented scenarios we have for that particular organization. That means your definition and assignment you don't have change. Okay, so enterprise structure, definition and assignments. Okay, so let's keep this here, here. Okay, let's keep status. Okay, I'll put the percentage 99%, no change. Okay, yeah, hardly 1%. That is service. This you can learn very faster. There is nothing to worry. Now let's go to that next topic. Very, very important. Okay, here this is done. So that means if you know ECC, you can able to do in S4 HANA also. There is no difference. Okay, where is the major difference? Next comes to master data. Okay, account groups creation. Okay, I'm writing fast. It might be spelling mistakes. Don't worry. Account groups creation, financial accounting. You'll do it. Okay, no change. Okay, so then partner determination. No change. Okay, only difference you will get it. Okay, the difference is you don't have T codes like XD01, the traditional T codes XD01, XD02, and XD03, and you have FD01. This is the major change. FD02, FD03, and VD01, VD02, and VD03. Okay, these will not be available here. Absolute in S4 HANA. Okay, these kind of T codes. Not only so many T codes are there. That means no use. So this is the change. How it is replaced with this? Okay, I'm just trying to explain you. It will be replaced with your BP. BP partners. So here BP is the transaction which is got introduced, and these transactions you don't have. And for this is one of the key concept. Okay, that means you identified your first concept. Okay, first concept you have to learn. This is very, very important. If you don't learn also no issues. You have to learn this concept. Okay, I'm telling right. I'm just giving the guidance how you have to go ahead with your instructor also. Okay, so but it is utter waste. I'm telling you, if you spend money on S4 HANA ECC or MM consultants, it's useless because there are no major changes. On top of it, if you are not get introduced to ECC, if you learn directly S4 HANA, that will be big advantage. Okay, so then you require this account groups and partner determination. Apart from that, you have to learn your BP partners. This is the first concept. Green signal for you. Okay. Next one is when it comes to document types, he introduced one or two new fields. Okay. No change. Okay. Item categories. So that means you can understand. Okay. No change. Schedule line, category. Let me leave about the spellings. Okay. No change. You don't have change. Okay. You understood clearly. So then when it comes to once you copy controls, Copy controls, fields, no change. Okay. Then what it comes to next? Okay. So your master data. He introduced for BP wise new fields. Otherwise, when it comes to your customer, no change, no much change. Here in BP partners, you will have multiple addresses, and you can able to. There is one concept called CVI integration. Okay. When it comes to BP, okay. So here I have explained a course. Okay. So I explained three scenarios. Maybe one scenario might be a bit, little difficult for you. When it goes to next and third scenario, it will become more easy. In a third scenario, I added one of my real-time scenario where the project where I have worked actually. Okay. So for this BP, it is covered. That means till here you know everything. Okay. Next, what is this? Account determination. Account determination. No change. Same thing like ECC. Okay. So delivery controls. Okay. Header item. Okay. Absolutely no change. There is nothing to learn in S4 HANA. Same thing he has taken the printout. Okay. So absolutely not. When it comes to, okay, what I would say, cross-selling. No change. Okay. Next one is bombs. No change. Okay. Next one is, what is that? Batch management. Copy this one. No change. Okay. Material determination. See, no change. So don't have any changes. VLPOD available. What is this VLPOD? Proof of delivery. No change. Okay. And in customer master, like, controls like, over delivery, uh, under delivery. Okay. And your tolerance, under delivery tolerances. And when it comes to, okay, combined billing, combined order and billing. So all these controls, no change. Okay. No change. Whatever the regular controls available, no change. Pricing, pricing and determination. Pricing and you can say condition technique. Okay. Pricing and condition technique. It's exactly similar, but additionally, like, in my channel only have explained. Okay. So like 99% no change. But so he added one additional field. Okay, statistical field. Apart from statistical field, he added one revenue account determination and recognized kind of one field. It is allowed. But if you learn also, you are not going to implement anywhere. That concept we don't require. Okay. So now 17 or 18 fields available. All 16 fields, whatever it is available, including alternative calculation type, alternative condition based value, your requirements, and all other 16 fields exactly the same. So 99% no change. Here, if you want to learn, only one concept left actually. Okay. Rebates, it's removed. It will be replaced with condition, contract, management. They have given the different name and the process, the definition is different, huge fields you have, and who is, but that any company is not going to implement. When you see the rebate document type, you will have a huge number of fields for condition contract document type also. So your rebates, traditional rebates, VBox table, what do you call VBox table? Okay, VBOX, that is got removed. Okay, this is a new concept. Memory wise, it is very faster. So what is the reality? I'm talking about reality. This is implemented by, like, FMCG, like, manufacturing also very little. I mean, not complex scenarios is not going to be implemented because where lack of condition contract management, proper knowledgeable consultants in the market now as for HANA. That's the case. So this green signal, okay. So condition contract management, you can absolutely learn this concept. Okay. So total pricing, he has increased the length of little fields. How does it make a difference being a functional consultant for you? So like if the length previously also, the whatever the length we got it, that is sufficient. But probably, like, some customers might have complained. We want that element length, certain cases, if it's supposed to be increased, that increase it. That is technical case. Don't worry about that. Okay. So pricing wise also 99% no change. You see this, how many concepts it is covered, and what are the other things you have? Okay, let's go to the S4 HANA. Let me try to share you the screen. S4 HANA. So let's come here. Let's go to the sales and distribution. Mass data, you have same common distribution channel and customer material info record. No change. Okay. Item proposals, no change. Basic functions, pricing, no change. Free goods, bonus by, it is already there. This is the new thing. I think omni-channel promotions, tax determination. Okay. Dynamic product proposal. This is one. A new thing is there. Listing and exclusion. Okay. So let's go to keep it. Listing and exclusion. It is also same. Okay. No change. So when it comes to what do you call them? Let me go back and see the topics. What we have. Cross-selling and output determination. This is one key thing. Okay. So text control. No change. And this one is output. I will tell you. So there is still now in ECC you have learned by using NACE transaction. Okay, output determination, like, delivery level, that you can able to implement it. There is one switch given. Okay, if switch is on, like, new output determination, this is called BRF plus. Okay, BRF plus. Okay, BRF plus. This you can learn, but it has a lot of drawbacks. You cannot use yearly function. You cannot use special condition 8. Like that, it has its own set of drawbacks actually. That's why clients are more fearful. Clients are more fearful to migrate to BRF plus. Even they are implementing S4 HANA migration. They are moving from ECC to S4 HANA, but they are using NAS, 99% NAS. So learn this by reading blogs. Anyhow, I am going to add this topic in future in my course. Okay, no, never worried about that. Okay, in my Udemy courses, this is one change if you want to learn. Okay, this you can say 50-50. Either you can use completely output determination NACE, okay, or else you can use BRF plus. What is the chance? So let me put this 50-50. Okay. So 50% you have chances for it, but both you cannot use it. Either classical output determination by using NAS, but 99% reality, 99%. Then you come to know what is the change. Till now you find 1, 2, 3 changes in S4 HANA. All other remaining topics are the similar. Text and output control. Okay. And okay. Root same. Serial number same. Okay. Let me write. Roots same way. Okay. Serial number. I have explained in my YouTube channel. If you want, you can try. No change. Let's come here. A/B check. Definitely it has a change. Okay. This for A/B check. Okay. Product allocation, one concept is there, and you will have back order processing. You will have different concepts are there. See, what is the challenging here? Wanted to learn. This is very simple. You can learn this. First challenging concept is this one, but we can avoid this. But 95 to 99 companies are not using. But VBox is removed, but rebates is available. Rebates they would like see condition contract management they are using for SD rebates. This rebates is used for there is a trade promotion one module is there for that integration. Our rebates also available. There is no problem. Condition types available and everything. But this is but you cannot use a regular SD rebates or manufacturing rebates. You can use condition contract until unless if it is trade promotion module integration, then use VBox, not VBox, rebates. VBox is removed. Okay, the table itself it is not available. Okay. So when it comes to pricing, there is one PRCD. I have done this change. My YouTube channel is sufficient. Okay, PRCD underscore elements. This is table replaced with the traditional KONV table. If you are in real time, you'll come to know importance. Today also, I'm working on ECC. I have given one logic for this. Okay, for one idoc. Okay, that is different story. So A/B check, you can learn. Okay, so like product allocation and back order processes. Okay, and your A/B check. Okay, transfer of requirements and see you will have the similar kind of concept. You can able to do that. And additional that back order he has splitted, not like a single plant and all. You can able to try different scenarios. Okay, product allocation it is concept. This is on Fury tool. You have to do couple of configuration and a couple of configuration on our backend tool. Okay, S4, so that you can learn that. That's not a big deal. Okay, and what is the major difference? Okay, if you learn this one, you can 100% start in S4 HANA project. Later things we can do R&D within the project only. You will have a time. Or else if you do, you can say that if you have S4 HANA project on your resume, you can say that I know this one. And my company is not implemented BRF plus. We have used classical output determination and condition contract management. We don't have most of the projects. I learned some years ago. Probably I will try to bring it back to this channel in future. Okay, this is one thing. So billing controls, no change. Okay. Let me go to business process. Third party. Okay. No change, except that BP concept. So once you created the vendor role, once you created the customer role, there is no change. See, all business process OTC, no change. OTC, order to cash. Okay. Your inquiry and quotation, quotation to cash, QTC, no change. Okay. Returns, same way, no change. Okay. And individual purchase order, no change. Okay. Cash share, no change. Okay. And rush, no change. Certain places he just copied the document type. He has given new document type. Otherwise, there is no difference. Okay. Credit and debit memos, no change. Okay. What else? Okay. Invoice list. See, all like ECC only. I don't know why guys are spending 30K, 40K for S4 HANA learning. Okay. So next one is invoice list is over, and what I would say, intercompany sale. Okay. You will have a little changes, no doubt. Okay. Intercompany sales, and you have to learn this. Okay. So on S4, it is better to have concept wise, it is similar. The BP, the roles handling is bit different, and you will have the same PA000 and same kind of condition types. Okay. So when it goes back, that's why I have identified a few topics you can able to do this. Okay. I have done stock transfers. You can learn in S4 HANA. Okay. With minimal efforts. Okay. And next one is the BP anyhow I already told. And next one is this one. I have given SD relevant. See, consignment sales, no difference. Intercompany sales, we have a difference. You can try this. I have clubbed this one on course in S4 HANA. And what I did for S4 HANA, let me go back before that. So, consignment. Okay. Control C, Control V, no change. Okay. Intercompany STO. Inter and intra STO. Okay. We have two ways in between plans and storage location. So hardly say that, it has a change. Okay. You can consider this one as a change. You can learn definitely. You'll thoroughly enjoy. Okay. This is the place where you can learn. Okay. Stock transfers I have explained, and pricing on S4 HANA I have done. Okay. If you want, you can do it. Okay. So our ECC credit management, this is a big change. Okay. ECC, okay, credit management. This is FSCM credit management. Okay. This is change. 100% you have to learn. See, these are the out of business process. How many are there? Hardly like, three, three and this one. So remaining, don't lose the confidence. Okay. So invoice correction request. See how it is coming. This is how the practice. Okay. No change. Okay. So what else? Service order. There is one service material type introduced. Okay. Service order. We can do that. Absolutely no change. We can keep this one also. So this one is, let's keep it this one like white. Okay. That's it. So what are all the other topics you would like to learn? Okay. So TM, major change. You have a TM, you have a separate module, you have to learn separately with S4 HANA. No one is going to explain about your TM. If you would like to see the future as a freight and transportation consultant, definitely you have to learn. Big change. What is big change? If you know ECC transportation, that module is completely moved. Okay. So big change. So this is the module, right? Big change. So these are also there. TM, anyhow, if you are regularly like me, ECC S4 HANA consultant, there is no point to think about this one. Okay. So that's the case. So what else? Huh? You would like to see more? So there are no major shift here. Okay. Text, routes, listing and cross-selling and material determination. Okay. Delivery scheduling also no change. Bonus buy no change. So all these are there in ECC. When it comes to billing, okay. Payment cards no change. Rebate certainly you have. Intercompany sales. Billing plan no change. About billing plan, how to use it, I have explained in my advanced payment. Billing plan, no change. Okay. Billing plan also no change. Let's try to keep this and this one. Okay. No change. So what else? What topics you wanted? Wanted to learn from S4 HANA. Okay. Only material master, the length is increased to 140 characters. I have already explained in my YouTube channel. The material creation for that, material ledger integration with it. That is one of the key chain. That is for people. Why you are worried about? But when you are practicing, you have to create a material, then you should know. It's a little painful process. For that, you need not learn the course. Okay. So some noticeable changes are there. Okay. But it's not much important. Free goods and taxes. No change, I'm telling you. What as for free goods? Just for selling licenses. Okay, it's a business for S4 HANA. And next one is that taxes. No change. Small field changes. See, if you look at this curriculum, how many topics we written? Let's count. Let's give a count for this. Okay. 1 and 2. Let me try to drag. So around 55 topics. Probably I might miss a few. Okay. Like another 4 or 5 topics. See, this much. These are the topics. Most of the times you have to learn in ECC. Apart from the changes. Okay. When I take a course, I will cover all these topics. Okay. If you want to learn, you ping your number. Okay. We'll do it. That is a different story. So till now I haven't started my personal coaching to anybody. Okay. That is different story. So let's see this. It's up to you. So now tell me, in 2024, the main concept, like, we have to learn S4 HANA. Definitely you have to start. Okay. You have to start. No doubt. Take a practice system, read You can read blogs, you can read Udemy courses, you can if you really have really painful, I wanted to throw the money, I'm a rich guy, then you throw the money. For consultants also, that is a different story. But whether they are going to cover properly whatever the topics we required or not, that is question into picture. Okay, if they tell all these topics, that's okay, it's good to go. But important green, where I mentioned those changes are important. Okay, so when I take this, so let me try to, you're watching the right screen, right? Yeah, you're watching the right screen. Let me try to filter. See, table changes I have already explained you. Okay, you have so many BSEG or SEG, so many tables will be there. That is got replaced with AC docker. Okay, so this is account for accounting table. Okay, in the mat doc, one more table is there. Okay, that is for material tables. So when it comes to your status, okay, for 56 status management, status MGT, no change. But only difference you have, whatever the VBUK, VBUP, these kind of tables they removed, they added to regular your VBK, VBRK tables. Okay, there is no index tables. All in that is, see, S4 HANA means they wanted to simplify the process. They removed unwanted ones, which is powerful. They modified. That's it. There is no change. Okay, and 57. What do you call variant? Variants. No change. Okay. When it comes to 58, idocs. Similar way you can implement it. No change. 59. Some ALE other processes also you can able to do that. Okay. So instead of PA, there is one more came like that is called CPA. That is not our module. It has a big change. Like that, maybe some other topics I might have missed. But maximum, if we look at here, let's try to select this. Let's give a filter. Okay. When you take the filter, I'm just sort by color. Uh, it is worrying, sort by color if I want it. Okay. So it's not allowing because of the size. That's okay. Let's try to take the status in another way. So big change, this one, condition contract, and the product allocation, intercompany. This is something called change I have selected. Let's select this. Hardly how many topics are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Against how many topics? So let's assume something is new, 10 topics. Out of how many topics? Hardly 8 will be there, 8 to 9 will be there, 9 topics of 8 topics. That means 50 topics, already. So then what is the fear to start in S4 HANA project? Okay. So fear will be like you don't know the master data. You don't know the migration process. Okay. If you want, someone is teaching migration process, you can learn. You have a traditional LSMW, still they are using in the projects. Okay. In addition to that, there are a couple of tools came. LTMOM, this is new tool. LTMC. These are simple tools you can learn. If someone is giving training or KT or something like that, you can able to do that. So this is the thing. Otherwise, you can search in YouTube or Google also. Okay. For this, there is no point to go for separate coaching. There is nothing to fear. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. If you like my videos, you can like and you can subscribe. Thank you.